Hello everyone, welcome to Numbers and Colors. Today we are going to do a water art activity. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So we are going to use this water art pencil or pen. It has water inside of it. So when we go over the page, we're going to discover things that are hidden. So let's get started. So let's start off here. We see a baby cow. Do you know what a baby cow is called? A baby cow is called a calf. Can you say calf? Good, calf. So our first thing that we discovered is a calf, a baby cow. See what's up here? I see something up here. Do you know what this is? This is we discovered a few things here actually. A rabbit and cabbage. Give me a thumbs up if you like cabbage. Let's make our way up this way. Wow, what's up here? What do you see? Can you whisper? What do you see up here? I see some flowers. What is this? A cat and a mouse. Good. I'm going to keep using our magic pen that has water in it to see what else we find. I see some clouds, blue sky. Now let's make ourselves towards the top. Let's see what we find up here. What is back here? Okay, that looks like a house, maybe a barn. Now we are going over mommy cow. We have mommy cow and our calf over here. And baby cow and mommy cow both have bells. What else do we see? So we found a cat so far, a rabbit, a mouse, flowers, baby cow, mommy cow. Let's see what else we find. I think there's another cabbage down here. Yes, another cabbage. And what else do we see here? There's a pond. What do you see? What's inside the pond? We have mommy duck and her ducklings. Can you help me count her ducklings? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ducklings. Good. So let's just go over one more time all the things that we found today using our magic pen. We found mommy cow. We have baby calf. We have the baby cow, mommy cow. We have our cat, mouse, our rabbit, and 1, 2 cabbages, a duck, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ducklings. Good job. Thank you for helping me discover the different items hidden in this picture today. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, can you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel? Thank you. Bye.